Yawa mrantie ne mmaba wo Kumasi a omoto abo ade abro sojafoɔ policefoɔ omo ne omo kontokwa adentira ya nisie adentina mo ba bete ye to say ya nisie. We need Ministerial to speak because Oba Santibemu Ministerial de Diasante. We have a regional minister who represents the government, but to tell the youth to stop, man can't change so bunjaya. Then end the session kwara we ase momo ye de omo ye no. What will make these young people stop what they are doing? Air attack soldier for, air attack police for. Asama ye ke nyina mi busa o. Mahamudu Bawumia owen. Ne yire na ne tonka, ne nanka. You go to drinka no omo wen. Bawumia ne yire. Omo di NPP ni mu no omo wen. Ye clinic Ghana. Amema information di. Oseche mensa bonsumu nyina Bawumia Kushia say this initiative of John Mahamas Diabano is very important. Mahmoud Bawumia be unity or also atigatem. Bawumia catch your seven sabons say on yet. So let's get on the street. Since this idea was started, what is about Bawumia release statement that he supports John Mahamas of bringing back this idea, no matter what they told Bawumia, say on yet entia sentimentum any. After all these things, share the Diabano. KMA Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly a year Kinzuba ena eye de MC or Kumasi bibi si wa santimemu ni nyina ne se eye KMA reintroduces summons system to arrest and prosecute sanitation offenders across Greater Kumasi. Eye the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly led by a year Zuba 6-pack. Omode Emra Abba say senia efin edokro eye Ghana ene asantemaya ono Zuba ana say Ashanti region MC ehunu no. O say omode samansaman Abba wa wendi uhuni wa wo benne na wo de besi robem na wo de bibi be kata so no wa e wo so koto ball egu a wan kotu ngu osantase mo amote South Centreso mo amote Ampabin mo amote eyedien bibia ye frɛ no eyedien eye sofo line omo amotete Kumasi mpotema omo ne esie omo ya ball asie odwa banche edwa kodu edwa eyedien mankan na wa wo fufu anadwo 9 na wa kyekere na ode ato store ase mo asebio omo ya bunabunu nkwan otwen bini ebon oye bunabunu nkwan na wie na aka ase no ode akyekere rubber black na ode ato ho na pai na sofo bi twem o hwa na atiegu no ho saa afin no Zuba said dabi Sesia near the Asamansama for the town council, taking from tankers. And all the tankers about Santimemu. Wow, 1 year see. Wow, 1 year see. Wow, we your baller see. Wow, sub your own person of ball idea. Oh, your baller see. And ye de tankers are saba, ye ching call for Santimemu. And baby, I ye fin, yes, sister, and he say yes, see. Baby, a man for these stores, I could see waterways, so they got a sent to me call in Sota Neyi, MCO Kumasi, Kinzuba, or KMA boss, or say, Sign your money in an Omu Gikumasi, Atikronim, Senebeya, Debbie insu, Jira Bimbi Batwa, Sansono Elme Kunipa, or Pesa Santimemote. Na sebio obiti bini ho na ohwia bini na ontia sa wo ka chen so bini no a obeka sa wo di ni bone eniti na ende oba santimemu a ye wo mrante ne mabaawa eye de KMA fo egi ekuro no atim e de asamasama ya ba omo pese ekuro no mu ye hwam na sebio nipa omutim no enya apomuden no ye wo mrante ne mabaawa Kumasi a omo to abo ade abro eye KMA fo soldier for police for omo no mo kontokwa adentira ya nisie adentina mo ba bete ye to say ya nisie we ene de ekoso asantimemu amanfo no mo nisie no omo so omo mpene say KMA boss edi police ni soldier beba abe clear kronum atete gatem entiende omo tambo ba na omato omo de boba hyetai mu na omato ende emu mrante ne mabawa ene ne aban KMA for de ayere so say ya mpene otumfo atase so ne yetia ye nisie ade na opese obeyi yetuma manfo hu se ye nisie enti adane abo atoto a sebio emrante ne mabawa nipa bi hye omochi a omo so omo mpene ema KMA entia santimenum enie Ekrone say Ghana for NPP be a change air din my pa. We are used to a certain lifestyle. Yam pesi best same free home. Say yes, start to say yes, say baby na ye correct your cross abia. Adena ye no yes say baby. We still don't want to accept say bia. Ye ne ye ne maybe ye no say baby. And I believe say it's about time Ghana for etias say change no de elseba. No maybe so person your mind ye or person your mind you better take decisions to be ebe nipa bi ya. But these are things abrofoni ya and they be a person you need to kwan kom krom. We cannot live in Ghana. You to be tina Kumasi. Na baby any say yesi kiosk. Baby any say ye eduane wo ho. Baby any say nipa bi tina no motina and manenya right. And we all respect the fact to say nyoma nye easy sa. Yeah, you say you a crocasium. Your nipa bebre wa omo betuma tina omo krom but omo ba krom kasium abepe e edwumaye. And we all understand this is not a daily issue obianti. But at the end of the day, I was say yachichire mino. I was say ye nyoma right. I was say emra ye buswa. I was say stop it obia obumraso. So I believe say it do some time yeah. Saturday we ya KMA for ye. Omdi police for aba, omdi soldier for aba. Na sebi also abo obonjo so. Na wako tubo banakobo police bi eni. Na wako dem for life. Do you think it's worth it? It is not worth it because baby what yankasa no sebio baby out na asase na oteno so no senka sebio emrama ho kwan se so otena ho anka obi nkofa excavator mba se obedwi ho. I don't think say omo ti baby a yaka se utumi si dan etena ho no yatam excavator akodwi ho. It is ade we udi nipa bi achi ewom se sebio baby out no aho kire ntina mo abetena ho but eno so nkire se ubu mraso a o se jama ubu mraso. And that is what we need to understand. Say, we all need to understand. Say, some sacrifices. We need to make some sacrifices. Enti Mumbranti and Mabawana, when you new regional minister, Amwako hini eye Jumading and the Swami interchange. She Juma oye, she Sewia equine to hospital ho, she KMA boss, demolition oye to make sure say equine bedao and the Ghana. Ejato baby fire service crampo enya baby for mo kamfa. Sa nyama we no mo yere ene na boa ema save lives. And it's out asafo. Now adwene will say ejato ho fire service also 10 minutes bedum jana. Baby a wo wote no. Baby a ende ye adwu no. Baby a eye kwan na mumu bi abetena so no. Ene na bema obi ba ahye. Ene na bema obi dwetire ahye. Ene na bema obi adwuma say iti sa ban take decisions say omo boa a protect yeni ankasa. Because when the government decides to say a coin way any say the partner so na ebia asem sia nipa be wa eye wonti na ban no eye. And I agree with you. Enye se obi a benye sika atena Kumasi akọ han Kumasi dan. Sebio enye obi a hwere be bia wote no enya no obi ebeka se tu ende fanko ye bibi obi beka ye ba ye ade enim se kuro mo ho na ye ba ye ende be bia wote na do not complain. And I would like to tell a year in Penifua Sebio Omo ena Omo Asantimai Esha Omonsa. And my message goes to 2482 Nana, this is the time you need to put your foot down. Onana numnubi. Nyoma bi wo hwa entwa yi Nana. Sebio Asantimai down. And minim se panya kura tokejeti a wote. Saa nyoma nkitinkiti we bi na ewo se yehu se menhia etuni na esim. Because Sebio yetumi hia onana num tumi ka se omo de omo somon enya ban no mosom na nana wo de onim se ne amamu tie eba amamu a e wo se nipa bia edi emra kwan so se obi koye bibi se ne ye kye no ne ko tu fiase a sebio nana ebe hawo obega se wo de hye ne ye kye omo in the first place no for us to prevent people falling casualty or people being arrested and being jailed for the government trying to do the right thing, I expect Menshia to send a message out to say asantema mosu Menshia so edi mraso sebio otufo say to krano sebio otufo say to krano onim se emra ye adwumanti otu kwan a sebio onfa ndubone nhye ho otufo say to ohene kese ohene mumpon sebio onim se emra ye adwumanti sebio otwika onya na adwene se odebebo obi ka mu odi Ghana ka atwe mraso sebio otufo say to ohene kese ode ne ho no sebio odokra ti ase say your president odi Ghana so nti also odi enidiema president so emra de the constitution makes it clear it is ultimate obamu na say bia say oman person kekere man no na sebio odi ommu president kra na osu otufo I am very sure say menhia ebumra ana menhia nim say de oman no anase aban ne ye no eyade a ebeboa eyade eye na adehye it I expect menhia to speak. I expect O2472 to send a message across that when the government is trying to do its job, when the minister is trying to do his job, we all need to support the government. The moment Menshia Kasa, the moment Otunfo Kasano, it makes it look like say Menshia is endorsing this chaotic attitude of the people living on its land. Because yempo yeshia asante emumbebunu eni perifo ade omo kan say omo sum Menshia, omo de respect ma Menshia. Na se menhia busa emra o manum menhia pese oboa aban no eboa MC eboa the regional minister o se menhia tumi ne amemburu ne kasa kire omo se de aban ye no ontie obi afa ahudie so na emom aban no kekere man no agenkwa ama ejede abo ndwumako ho ban nti it is up to menhia to make that statement. The moment menhia refuses to talk to the youth, the people living on its land, then it means menhia is condoning this chaos. Menhia is basically listening and allowing the young people to distract government business. And it's ready sometime. Debia mekase, in some sense, not through a sewer santimemwa. It is very imperative for Menhia to show leadership, for Menhia to let the young people know, because for all you know, Imrantia, Omo Eden, Edia Tem Eto Abobano, do Kranya Santifon Quara, Omunino Santimemu, Ebi Krobu free baby, and Omabetra Santimemu. So it is important for Menhia to speak. It is important for Menhia to put a statement because Menhia needs to help. Whether we like it or not, you can say whatever you want to say. But say yesu Menhia, Otumfo na ekese wa santimemu. And I know Otumfo also believes in development. Otumfo enso peso di mraso. Otumfo peso asantifo eden ema emra eya debia eye djuma. So Menhia needs to speak. Menhia needs to send a message out. Menhia needs to tell the young people in Asantimemu say, you people need to stop attacking government officials, the police, the military. Now, adia we yanko for we ye yende. To moba ebu police for soldier for na soldier for ko barracks na police for ko back no mo consist ammunition no moba no mu sani tuogu nipa so a is Menhia going to say ya born adishe tu ana. We don't expect people to be quiet. We don't expect leadership to be quiet. We need Menhia to speak because we have a regional minister who represents the government. We have a municipal chief executive who represents the government. But Asantifo de anymore. Debiano must say Sebio Minister Crasher Otufo. It is up to Otufo and Menhia to tell the youth to stop. So Otufo the Menhia to man can't change me so bunjaya. Then end the Menhia the shishan kwara we ase momo ya di omo ye no. Because what will make these young people stop what they are doing? It is only when Otufo, who are the people respect and see as the leader of the land, unless Otufo speaks. So Otufo and Kasa, now it's Otufo ni daho. Menhia ni daho, and a woman mebulu we attack aban, attack soldier for, attack police for. I am not saying Menhia na ye, but if Menhia refuses to speak, then that is how the message is going to look. So Menhia refuses to obey Kasa, then it means to say that is how at the end of the day, the whole thing will look. We expect Menhia to speak. It's not supposed to happen. Now, Mame nkyerɛ mo ade bi a ɛyɛ aban we ɛsa ɛyɛ. Yɛka ɛyɛ cleaning a ɛkɔ so. And we saw a few MPs and ministers out there working so hard with their constituents. In fact, there's one MP, Okankwe South and North. Mr. S, that lady, I really like her a lot. And I saw her confront a lady, not a officer. That lady saw MP come out, move from her office to get in the gutters to work. Now, Aketesia almost office. All because you saw air condition being no. You see, Ghana for yankophobia, they are so like Mentia say, Ana yanya na yane, and yanya na yefin, and you say, moon and for a day, some hours, na yan fan cleaning a fina, a be my more a catch for in Katesia. These are the same people in so yirina from your TV, so the government should help us. The government should help us. Draws and so mundi. Now, Broni Yakacha say we should all come out and clean our community. Broni biabejaye. But eba bibinia, Nigerian say or a papa chair plumber no. Eba bibinia, kwasiampe him so a doctor into a papa chair nurse nino. Kwasiampe him so a nurse into a papa chair a dear mamma or toidian. So you get to see I see a Jimmy. Just spend a few hours, clean your own community, and make sure say one person will protect one. Almost a damn and a whole MP. I like the way the woman confronted this lady. Because you see, you some questions so Ghana, and the next time this goes on, Abano also almost started chinipa. Because they are chinko funguma. People will keep on fooling like this. And see, Okankwe, Mr. Was it Okankwe? Was Okankwe where? And also, the vice president was out today. Sorry, the vice president, Professor Nano Pokwajima, was also out. I saw people like these are the first people of this land. The president, the vice president, more busy than anybody else in Ghana. The vice president, you're busy, most people in Ghana. But the vice president today, Professor Nano Pokwajima, was on the street cleaning gutters. The vice president, who has a lot to do, Mami Penyini, she had to put on jeans to get on the street to basically show leadership. Nenya inketesia bi omote a community bank no ayomo say school no mko no obianko bi o Ghana da and Jimmy. We all saw the president out there working, the vice president out there working, senior ministers. I saw the finance minister on the streets helping other people clean gutters. And we sit here now call me Jimmy be say me a teller, me a bank teller, and me pia bontine bank teller you talk $200 a month. Sa bank teller for that money and I'm the good robber no matter to how much musimu kwejuma how much no. Would you say anymore? And these are people in Ghana. And I think it's about time we started punishing these people. This is the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, and Professor Nano Pokwajima took part. The Vice symbolic cleaning.
We all need to work and support each other. That's very important. Thank you very, very much.
We saw the vice president on the streets of Ghana. Why not say and the busy chair the vice president of the republic? Why not say or you busy chair the president of the republic? Why not say or you busy chair? But these people took the day off and said no. For once, yenko cleaning your neighborhood. Yenko and send a message to the world say Dabi I will say ye dear huni. So we all saw the president. We all saw Edding. It says We all saw the vice president out there. We saw the president out there. All these people were working hard. At the end of the day, this is what we need. We need leaders that at the end of the day will commit to making sure our environment, our communities, every single part, and that is what the president is doing. That is what the vice president is doing. And I told you about Okankwe North, right? Okankwe North MP, Theresa Awuni, confronting some lady, a whole member of parliament is out there picking trash, cleaning gutters. Now, in Kofobi Shedema so air conditions say, we don't want to do this. And I like the way, more parliamentarians, you know. Sometimes I feel because of the way you pamper some of your constituents, you know, and then sometimes, you know, you have been elected as a leader, and I like what Theresa Awuni did. Sometimes you need to let the people understand, say, when the time comes for you to also do your part, you need to do it. And this woman approached this lady and said, hey, I'm the member of parliament here. With all due respect, and I also want son cheme. Me nyendi pan chemo, and I also nyendi pan cheme. Yenina haneti. Say hanakwana uye juma. You make trash here. So why do you make it look like say yeah Jimmy? We should clean the community for you, Abawa, to be able to make the trash. She respectfully confronted them, and this is what we need to be doing. This is what we need to be doing in our communities. We need to confront people. We are not supposed to attack people. We need to speak to their conscience. We need to let them understand, say, President every single person needs to take part. Now, this is the issue I'm talking about.
I've played parliament and I'm cleaning your frontage for you. I don't make profit on this. As a manager, you should set an example by coming out with your workers, using those for 5 minutes long, you will agree and be agreed. All of you are just out on the other side. I have left my office and I'm in the gutters here. I am telling you, this is not your cleaner job. This cleaner that is sick there, you have brought here. You see, right? What are the youth in your office doing? Those young guys sitting there, what are they doing? All the young guys sitting behind your desk, what are they doing? What are they doing? Go to GCB, go to NIB. All their managers, their workers, they are on the street breaking the bucket. So you could have even hear with the person to come out. You are here, your workers to come and do one thing. You just speak it. Once they see you when you know who and who. They have collected every gutter here. It's just your frontage. They won't enter because you are inside working. Who should come and clean your frontage for you to make profit? I've called your manager. I've called Mr. Wanwa. What's their name? Eh, Barasa, I've got a friend. The last one. I think come back here actually. Tomorrow we'll be here. I need 1 tanker of water. 5 tanker. Let the water be here. We will bring a machine. Then they'll come and flash the water. Hey, we are Juma Banka. Mojemo, lawyer. Cleaning up by the piano. Maybe I am not free, don't I? Almost all my cleaning, when you win. So, yeah, my mom, where you carbon city and a pie cleaning. Almost about to pay anyone on my boy and say, oh, almost out of my eye. But me, what president at Eddie, two or say, and no beer in Yajima, no, and a probably Yajima, over Buaka can mop up for Yamojima. Mama city office, and I let you say to go to Ma. To bank a minute, at least clean your body. Local government minister said, and go be charging in fiction. One person women and sure so we said a bank and you got dying. That was to mother city bank in Yajima. On a catch them bank to phone down. You see Ghana will be at the frontage where you do the business. Because right in front of the bank, who they got that wire? It's all right. Are you calling on your voice? I have asked the manager claims say omunya mail say omu cleaner sinye omu cleaner bi eni ha me ko bisa na so omu cleaner yare etu bo so wa ko chi ni security man na ono wa ba officer oyo ejuma no wa chi ni so 100 cleaning got no mu and family all I need is the frontage to be clean because
kwasi asema mudi o Ghana a stupid bank cow bank such a foolish bank you see obia bebia wo ejuma just take an hour or two and clean. Kwasi afo Google bank and confosi karo mu wiawia wo. They sit in that bank. Ya ma me no muti dwom ni ade be save wo no omutiti sika le koye omudu koye wedding en kwasi afo. Just get out. The president has given an instruction. Oh manager no osian ne workers ne yare kwasi ase koye manager fun bi otewo. And then you will get some foolish person sitting there. Minister no MP ni arrogant yet to man kwasi apanyi. Now to abama ne office. And we sit in Ghana and kwasi same way because kwasi apanyi be kan sika bank international so enipa. This bank is supposed to be closed down. Tomorrow, they need to shut it down. They need to make sure until the cleaning is done, that bank is not opened. And then we get people in Ghana, then they want to also act like they are bigger than the country. The president gave an order. One can say free dance man, nako techima ko cleaning ho. Or see baby a uye juma. This is a whole bank. A member of parliament is on the street working. Nankwasi afo go wi go fosika. Dia na mo no bank ho. Amam for tum do musika beto. Then ye beto na obi te bank ho we sika ni nyina akoto e de aviator. Ye hu sanko asem bi Ghana. And these people don't respect anybody. In the name of they are being paid 150 Ghana a month, 230 Ghana a month. This bank needs to be shut down. Many minister MP na come tum ewiana. Na ma hwedi po obeko court. They don't want to do anything. Almost sorry where they live. Okohwe baby asa bankers we omugu tell us no. Omuti ebi omuti efi omuti mu ho. Almost sorry no pa. Almost sorry no pa. Sorry. Na omochi omoto na mabetena atwitwi omonim say de omokwaje asole collection akokan baby omote obi ti ukro baby a wo free ba ya obi ti ho pepa ho wo bank na wo so ye tella no baby a wote no a wo free ho ebe adwuma no pa no obi e clean ho oni ye na wo tutu a bag mu no somebody is fucking cleaning it na wo bedru adwuma na say clean wanimu a o manager na Jimmy to say the workers are not there. Foolish cow bank, very foolish bank. Very foolish people. And they sit in Ghana and kwasi someone kwa. Now, Muntie Asemwi, na mentuaso. A lot of people were out there. The finance minister, he was out there. The finance minister working.
This one, manpower will do very little work. Yeah, let's get more of the backbone. And then get them. MC is bringing it. Boom. They'll come. At least we should make it before we all leave here today. So the backhoes are coming. We have empty backhoes. But we need a lot more backhoes. Yes. So that we can clear throughout the bank. Yes. At least we should finish this before we leave here. The problem is we can help you inside. Deputy is on the other side. He's the one cleaning. It's going well. So we need another machinery this side. So we need another machinery this side. One backhoe and 2 tipper trucks each side. And then we can go this way.
This is your finance minister. The whole finance minister. At least people are showing leadership. At least. This is a to forcing. People are showing leadership. People will see and be like, no, if the minister is out of his office, I have to be out. That is what leadership is. The finance minister, but he's showing leadership. Now, more mugu car bank, more busy chain finance minister. Kwasiasam. More mugu car bank wa, mumubi muye sikari kobo avieta no. Are you bigger than the finance minister? But the finance minister left his office the whole day working on the streets of Ghana, cleaning. You saw the defense minister. Broja Jemfi on the other side. This is the defense minister. Broja Jemfi currently, he is the deputy finance minister, defense minister. He left the office. Broja Jemfi was on the street. Yet it's Ghana and Kwasiasam, Yashamra say in this one. Now Obisku Tantan Fimbia Wakobino. Now I don't also a better. One year goofy, I'm obi paper. No, I better be a human as a paper. Or say bank manager say our boys are going to clean. They need to fucking shut that bank down. That bank, cow bank, and there was our branch. It needs to be shut down tomorrow. That cow bank, I walk North. That bank should be shut down tomorrow. What kind of stupidity is that? But it's a bank of your wedding. Now, ya chimwa na maboni mu say ya kon hia. I can question some say our manager said. Mo managers are confirm go Ghana. Omudi ji nkofo sika ya ni momo. Mama mayemfe ni bimra so. But in a whole, you can see what this government is doing. The leadership, the commitment, how ready they are. Eh? So person who say Ghana for Jimia, me be video bi a chiro. Ghana ni ane. Ghana ni ayebola. Ghana ni ono baby otino obetumi nya yare. Yesi yesrew. Eye enda mienu pe. Fatiti ball ane ebini na wane no. Muntie Ghana ni. Yekobusa no hwe. Muntie o. Hwe.
They say we see 2 days. Yes you kuta nkora. Edi 2 days no yanya dan ya yanya adwuma yanya dan na yire ne yema no. Enkora na nya aduane adi. They say we see my in the tomade. Ba obi ankwa adwuma. They say yanyina yemfa yahu. Aduane tonfo okra me nyaso se mama kra mankofo e de aduane abesi kwa ho aba beso adwuma yan so ene aduane die nanam se obi ya adwuma no ana se komede no no to na ni hwa ni fa ni beku na aduane die ani wa enye twa no obetwa awe eti mi busa se adwuma ne de anka ya anka no de anka ye na aban no de aduane besi ka mu ya ba bi ebekọ bi na aduane die achi ana sa de aban ya sa de akom di obi a e bi abanku no opa ya ti bi amanadi emoni fro ye bi ni nambi gusu a yama ni bia bi ensuo yi ebi di akire because adwuma ni su kom na nam wo be nsu a yama wo bia bi na sa adwuma wo be ya bibia nka ho de ene ya me de me gidi sa ba no sa de wa ka no wanye ni hihye ye yie na so obetu akọ akiri a won twen kwa akiri na wanye ni niyama yie ansa na sanitation no aba so because se no bi ensuo na ye no aho kira ba ye so pa 2 days kra no ibi be fam wo eno kra me ka tro no na 2 days no obi wa wa sabe wonte Ghana kra woni bi ya wodi beto aduane ama ni madie enti o tena fie sa ya o tena ene na de chie je se wo kabu se fie Ghana kra wo bi nche winya market wo pa ko tire tutire so ko fie Ghana obi ya be ka tro se wonya ma enso na se ye bi bia je ya ncha da mu 2 days ma ya nya adwuma ma ya nko ba bia Yansan adwuma ye be ye no so ye watamu ni ye betete ye ball ane ade eno so kwa be sa de koma sa bere ye e be ba ye ho akere ye mo etime dia me sra ban ni se promo siesie ni de eye boni bia anim de momu no so mu osika bia omo betwitwa de ama ye na sa 2 days na ye mfa nya adwuma no ye de be hwe ye yene ni ye ma de a
oh so we mu say nka bronya ponche eduni ekubronya mpone ekuna ka ho we mu no ke bia bronya time edu yekuku mponche ni achena fra na ekuna ka ho we mu when the car say cleaning we the whole day hwe nim se kokuo ono onfa bibia ma o man no ontua tax we okono gu wisu a why say opuro no onum wisu ejanka akwa we a ono a onse we sika bi obenya bi ontua tax wa wo se chimpanzee ena onkwasi akeka ena yebe cleania ne aduane be ne yebedi kwasi ampe kono butu oba so a aise krodo so kwasi jimika sa nipa we na eye adwuma se yebe hwe Ghana fo insu fa onyoma de na ma insu fa onyoma wo baby a wote no wo baby a wone pay toto sa ne tutum osora no wane anajo no wane asisto echi na onum wi gu so akonoma petition anom konsho kwasea ne ho fi people ebiri na wane no wangasa tete ogatam na wo ma na wawo mo so otwe no obi ankonya yare se de be yakobọ besia baby a wutifia dui unam na wo pe 20 Ghana unim nyansa ebiri na wo ne gu store na se no baby a wo sora homachia na wakonde na wadum wi abetena wo se wo de wani aden wanim kitikiti sa Rambo 1 na yese pepa wa wo bini wo utua bola sika o bola zoom lion for bola so utua oni bola de ntia na auto bola gu wo Kwame Jato wano se zato Kwame Jato wano se zato na o TV3 no me see wo bola de wen wo Jato na wo te wono bola de be na auto bola gum wo ne by heart enkwasia bola na wo ye ono no nkwasia win na manten mu di nkwasia sam ya see for be 1 hour 2 hours paper bini na won ne no na dia wo chichire na wo mano ne oyire ne a wo chichire etoto na why wo bossa chenchina betena se an yema woduane ni aboofunu mo de munima na adie ne aduane ade papa bia ne utire no wawu ni akosie no oba kotena wo krom wana soma se brankran obi na so wo be me se betena nkran wo krom woro edan ni wo tu kotena wo krom ana opa besia kura wunya wasunkyire mu se torchlight opa besia wan na koji besia no bo wo mode na ye adwuma ko kurom ko ye koko edi sikaba ko kurom ko ye nyadoa ko kurom na ko ye de akatoafuo ko kurom na aban ekoko nketinketi ko nya bi wanim hura se de ohuru ntuma ewo Uzbekistan abetra kan kwase asem na aban fa aduane ngu kaabu na kromfo ko wiade ko ma mani mebo a ompa adwuma no bebre gugu nkran bebre gugu Ghana ha aban se ende ye be prapra bebia yete edan ya yetim gata de nim obetum ne 30 minutes ya fa ye wa wutu fia betena aka se yenye bangungu kam yenye bangun fansi kam kwasiato wa beti se dia ochechire nchire e wokede yenfa bangu ensika mu na otwe wa yadwuma ma obi udidi nkwasia ma ne nkwasia ne ne na ese wankata to gatemu a anka wo kasa na nkwa kasa o me bola ade de si wo no 2 months bia metua e ma zoom lion beyi woto wo ni bola ade e na to bola gu otwe nkwasia sabu gwa na bote ade ne kwa mesre nkwasia sabu gwa na ete so Ghana ha o kwa no bofu mono mo nkwasia wi ni wi a mo mani pa kasa
ayeye mo ma yanwene ye ho mo ma yanwene ye ho mo ma yanwene ye ho ayeye edien mo ma yanwene ye ho edien ayeye mo ma yanwene ye ho mo ma yanwene ye ho mo ma yanwene ye ho ayeye edien mo ma yanwene ye ho edien ayeye mo ma yanwene ye ho mo ma yanwene ye ho mo ma yanwene ye ho ayeye edien mo ma yanwene ye ho edien
mo so mo ne nkofo de bi nkasa mo ne nkofo de bi nkasa na ade na awo ha che enyende Bob Marley mu nyina yusu mo ne nkofo de bi nkasa na ana sometimes mo ye nyome ne bi wo ha ana ma ye no so anu mutia mo nkofo ne bi ayeye nim se ayeye mo ne nkofo de bi so nkasa na nyome bi wo ha wo ye nyoma na ebo odi mbone ayade wo ha ye nyina nim se onyame ne boye bayanka se enu nti gina so na fadi nkwa asem mo ne nkofo ne nkasa na ya no betia mo de bia mo na mo force me anu betia mo ye ni agege ho abo ho ban aduadua egugu so abeduru this time a edan wo ha sebio enko bebia na ne mo ne nkofo no so nkasa kakra rasta na mo nkofo ne bi nkwasasa no mo di na too much now efi ho asem na ye ka na meduru krom eye asema ye ka nyina me busa o Mahamudu Bawumia owen ne yire na ne tonka ne nanka ne kotodwenka no omwen Bawumia ne yire NPP fo na omudi NPP anim no omwen ye clinic Ghana mamema information bi and the oseche mensa bonsumu enyina ne Bawumia ko share say this initiative of John Mahamas Abano is very important to say Mahamudu Bawumia be unity esi krom na sebio ono so atigatem aboama NPP for waka kyerɛ mu nyina wɔ Ghana so omomwa na yenti efie wɔ Ghana. Bawumia ka kyerɛ sɛ mensa bonsu mu sɛ onye. Mahamudu Bawumia ende oseche mensa bonsu. Ɔne ne team no kɔrɔ ka sɛ sebio sɛ woni munyansa, let's get on the street. Leadership by example. Yama Ghana for hu sɛ efi wɔ kurom. Woso sebio wabedi Ghana so pen 8 years ya hyɛda anya bibia mfa efi ho. Sisi da pa kromfo wia sika ma ende ɛda ho sɛn ukom. Pia bontene na koti gatem na gada NPP fo nyina so omo so mra na John Mahamas de nyansa bia ba ye nyina ye mfa den ye party nto nkyɛn. Mahamudu Bawumia ka kyerɛ oseche mensa bonsu ne NPP fo sɛ onye. Since this idea was started, what is about Bawumia release statement that he supports John Mahamas and the NDC government for bringing back this idea of sanitizing or cleaning the system. No. No matter what they told Bawumia, they also onye. Ne yiri Samira Bawumia ka kyerɛ oseche mensa bonsu sɛ ono oni saa time na ɔkɔ gyina gatem akɔte gatem na ɔno no sebio wetwitwi fie. And into the whole day Mahamudu Bawumia said never. Now ebeye a big conversation, there was exchange. Emma oseche mensa bonsu ka kyerɛ say he needs to do something because when Pia Bontene and make a public statement I endorse John Mahamas' decision and idea, the government policy, and I say intervention. Omodi aba say eba besesa senya yedi ehunia. Sadia de beha NPP. Mahamudu Bawumia ka chom say omunko ochina obadwene ho. And it's the whole day, you did not hear a single word from Mahamudu Bawumia's office. And it's the whole day, you didn't hear any of the senior NPP communicators speak that Mahamudu Bawumia is going to come out today to take part in this clean up exercise. And as we speak, Oma Fre Ahimfubi se Omo convince Bawumia se Ochina, whether he likes it or not, he needs to go out there. It has become a heated argument. So Ahimfubina and the Omo convince Bawumia agree say tomorrow he needs to be on the streets. NPP Ahimfu. Ahimfu Omone NPP aye juma che e ka che Bawumia say do not follow your wife. O yire no onye Ghana ni ofri Chad. Do omo bedi kra den terrorists for enegu ho. Men di o yiri we echi. We something you need to do as a patriot. Say John Mahamas de ba e krampo at the end of the day you want to lead the people. Adibia Yema Ghana, no, you have to support it. So as we speak tonight, they are thinking of making Bawumia step out tomorrow. As we speak, that is the conversation going on this night. They want to make sure so Ochina Bawumia Mpie, because Bawumia Mpia, Ghana Fobe will say he does not care. He does not even want the NPP. In fact, what happened was that when I was saying Chairman Sabonsumu called Honokachiromo say the NPP as a political party are on no leading. No senior executive should get on the street and try anything silly. Because one, to him, Bawumia, when people go out to support this idea by John Mahamas, they are technically saying that John Mahamas is a smart president. It's making him look stupid. And it's the whole day, you did not see Mahamudu Bawumia on Wankasa, the AIDS. Dennis Miracle Abuaje, Akosia Menu, and Bini, and you did not see any of them. All of them stayed back because Bawumia said nobody should try. And somebody already the NPP. Right now, as we speak to you, Mahamudu Bawumia is the leader of the NPP. Mahamudu Bawumia, and Okase NPP, Obiankoda, Obiabeda. Mahamudu Bawumia, only the leader of the NPP. Mahamudu Bawumia say he is not interested because John Mahamas had the idea in the buy. Mahamudu Bawumia and the day. Mahamudu Bawumia and Osiba Mahamas had the idea in the buy into onye. Me see me busamo. And when we say Bawumia office, they release a statement or a video on the cleaning. Ote say Bawumia ire. And ote say NPP for omune Bawumia nam. Did you see any single person even insinuate on Facebook? They all went quiet. All of them went quiet. Nobody even posted a video of themselves cleaning their own homes. Nobody posted a video of even NPP National Executive Bakumpo because Bawumia has given an instruction. Menokasa Nadwi, they are still convincing Bawumia say on the Ochina on Pie Keke. Onkoye to say the also Etibola, Nagara Fonka say Unimunyansa. Bawumia is still insisting he's not going to do it. So Bawumia Abontinia, he's being forced to do it. So Mahamudu Bawumia Abontinia, he's being forced. And he has told them he's not going to do it. And this is the guy who wants to be president of Ghana. This is the guy who wants to lead Ghana. This is the guy who is saying he's intelligent. Ghana for you see, NPP for more minority or more parliament. Almost say almost demanded full closure on source of government 350 million flood relief. Argues an ongoing legal dispute bars withdrawal from the contingency fund. And the NPP4, after consulting Bawumia no, about parliament, after your marking a kakare guniti hono, almost say, in so that ton anuya a fa nipa ku nipa. John Mahamas banker said, no, you'll be from the contingency fund. Sika and when you hear about ye yibi at the Magana for no. And the NPP4 parliament, almost say, Omontias say a buying time 350 million say or the bois omomuaka. This is NPP. Almost say Omontias adentina buying ko yif 350 million. Say or de magane nia ne daimu nyoma say insuafa ne juma ne ba ewu apemfo omobre nipa amenoka say ende omunya bebi nda no NPP for na press conference endra e ka kire aban say adentina aban ko yi sika no. Hey, like this is shocking. At some way, sometimes when you listen to these things, it hurts. This is the NPP that led Ghana for 8 years. This is the NPP almost say yemfa aban Ghana and show monsa. And the atoyenchem ato Ghana for people are wailing among for a bread. Yenyina ye need to ya insua e fa nipa. Ye keka ko nipa be 30 and over omowu. Among for ma ewuye. Among for japade nyina hye. Insua fa nipa. John Dramani Mahamas Eka said, Finance Minister, you will be a friend contingency fund. You will foot to be a to Yerenchem Toya. I was saying, Sasikano at the Boagana for Momu. John Mahamas, Chef Finance Minister, only Sasikano. Now, from my encline for the Ghana for more Ghana Fenya Bibia, in sooner toy for more Mochiroma, a bini baby tino. And the NPP for Parliament, Thomas Sasikano, and this are binding a bind by young conta because Omun Jin to. After you're marking the lead NPP4, after they consulted Bawumia, said they don't want the government to give the money to Ghanaians. Almost adentina bayako tamsa asikanama Ghana for him. That is the NPP. This is where it gets dangerous. This is where I keep telling you, say, NPP4 Ghana Nibia, they just want to destroy you people. In Kofo we for Sika. Eko tu amena donko se cathedral. Entumen sevu nipa baako ba. Entumen sevu opimfo bia. Omo sa chesi kani diye. Ende aban bia ba. NDC aban aba. Na nipa ho aka sei. Na nipa ewu. Na nipa ni baby da. Ana anadwo ameno ka se obi eni baby da. Na NDC aban John Mahamas se munyi sika eda ho. Na mumfama sa ankofo omo betuma ko haidan. Omo betuma ko tomatres bi. Na NPP for Parliament so omuntia se mema abiding for sikane maubia and all the MPs omo NPP for so omumpene the 66 piglet all of them including Patricia Pieja neto edwene mami penyini a waman kwara di nenimu ejimi a odi echiri mami penyini o se oye bad time Patricia Pieja abrewa post support na nufu nyina egu on sienyanse hu se enkwara ne jimi a ono ma me pagini na obekasa kire omo no ende Patricia Pieja gina so ompene adentina ye tam sika unu ma de kro adekudi ntom ye sa ne se party no eye NPP no hu ne se sa atoyera nchem no that flood no majority no esi won kran na in the head of the NPP no enkran no eye nkranfo na tewo omo nya asantefo nti nsuo yira fa nkranfo a adentina de Ghana sika ko hwe nkranfo. Because Sankasa at Yencheme see, Sankasi was Santimemu and a yirifa so far nipa kuna and NPP for country Ghana for that say Adentina buy 350 million. Come make us a sikadi sa. If we say Otu for us so and then swayira for nipa. But because Omutrimuno, part no, baby at Yencheme see a Ghana for Gwani and crying for the door. NPP for Moonkran for some year nipanti in their head, why should Abanikra release such a money to people living in the communities at one crime? And you can see discrimination, the idea is omumbu nipa, omumbu edon, omumbu tribe, it starts from the party. Because clearly, Sankasa a flat way, ne kase si Kumasi, and nka asante fo wu ya, anka MPP nkwasiafo, they will never make that statement. In fact, anka omobeka say, 350 million esa. But you see, because partner, they don't respect in for. Omu obia owa krabia nsu afa ne say dodo ne enkanfo a omu nya nipa also bubu omunti. They are quick to say abani sanfa sika ne koto. The government should not use the money to relieve the people. Enkanfo no motenkan no nsu ni nko omo. Abani should not bring out Ghana for sika to help the people living in the Greater Accra region. And that is the part here. I keep telling you, say MPP for way Jimmy, no reasonable, rational human being. It me who on hinibi ewon kan memu na odi the MPP. And I pity you because the MPP, they have never recognized any chief in Ghana. They have never recognized any tribe apart from Asante. And what they are doing now is being selective. They are basically doing this because how can you say as a MP, as a member of parliament, na insua fa nipa kunipa na mabegina say saa sika na aban ko yide hwe omo no montiase aban sanfa nkoto. That is what we are seeing today.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.